Hi, Sandy McTeer here with another Craft Minute for DecoArt. I love to use stamps on my decorative pieces and mixed media projects. Let me show you a cool way, instead of using ink for your rubber stamps, how to use paint. You need a brayer, and you want to pull that paint away and create a little runway right here. I'm using the DecoArt Americana Ultramarine Blue, and work that in so that that brayer has a nice even coat of paint. Run that back and forth right over the stamp. Using the brayer to apply the paint will keep the paint from going down into all the grooves on the rubber stamp. Once you have that nice and loaded with paint, you can flip your stamp over, lay in place, press. If you have any areas that slightly missed, you can just take a liner brush, the little bit of your paint, and complete those lines. You'll want to make sure that you rinse the paint off of your rubber stamp, dry it for the next use. And again, how cool and easy is that to add paint to your rubber stamp using a brayer and DecoArt Americana paints?